Breaking news. Section 84, subsection 12 deletion. Falana accuses Buhari's government of partiality against democracy and Nigerians. Hello, my wonderful people. What Buhari's government has done is unheard of. Now, Buhari has already signed the Electoral Act, which implies or indicates that he would have read it, understood it, and has seen that this is the reflection, the mind, and the heart of the people. But guess what? People in Buhari's government who clearly shows to us with their actions that they are the ones ruling the nation told Nigerians or told the government that they, told another arm of government that they would delete that very aspect and nothing will happen. True to their word, they did. True to their words, they did. What's it called? The man called Malami, an appointee of President Muhammadu Buhari, took the National Assembly. You see, it took them to court and it was quick to implement the court injunction. The same court gave an injunction with regards to Nnamdi Kanu. He has not made a statement up till today. You see partiality in this government. Falana is saying Nigerian lawyers will take them to court because this is democracy. Let's get all the details. Section 84, subsection 12 deletion. Falana accuses Buhari's government of partiality. Leading rights lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, Femi Falana, is set to release a list of subsequent and substituting judges of regional and democratic courts allegedly ignored by the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. The figure given by the human rights advocate is over 132. He told Sunday Tribune that collation is on the way and the list would be made public. The fact-based step is the human rights community responsible for the decision of the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami San, to immediately comply with the controversial judgment of the Federal High Court Umahia nullifying Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022. A list of 132 SANs are already putting down their signature to take Malami and that very judge to court. Where did she get her verification from that she can just wake up one morning and nullify a whole section of the Constitution with no tangible proof according to Nigerian's law? Though the federal government was the defendant in the suit instigated by lawyers, the Action Alliance AA Malami, hours after the judgment was handed down on Friday, promised immediate compliance with that very section. In fact, he made a press conference. Malami has continued to be a very controversial and a man who is engulfed in all forms of crime and criminality. He is quick to enact that very law. Yet there are laws that has been passed by courts in Oyo and the same Umahi regarding Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu that he has not made a statement or adhered to. The provision which bar political appointees from contesting political primaries and voting in same without resigning will be possibly affecting the chief law officer of the country because he intends to become his state governor. He's going for the governorship seat of his hometown, Kebbi, and that is why he's fighting it. Justice Evelyn ruled that the section is unconstitutional, null and void, and directed the very person to whom is now a judge and a jury in his own case, the AGF Malami, to delete it so that he can go on and contest to become a governor in his state. Malami, like many human rights communities, supporters, and lawyers, have promised that this very portion will be back on the very controversial list. We will take Nigerian government to the ECOWAS court. The Attorney General is on statutory duty and has no right on domestic cases. He should concentrate on his job and resign if he wants to be the governor of his state. So this is what is happening now. The Attorney General of the Federation wants to eat his cake. Is the one fighting this matter. In fact, Buhari was in the UK when he went ahead and fought the matter and saw to it that he got his pound of flesh, or he got what he wanted. Yes, the Attorney General, he wants to become Kebbi State Governor. Okay, and so this very controversial space will not avail him that opportunity. And immediately he took the country to court. In the first instance, when they said all primaries of the party must be done, the primaries must be direct, he told Buhari not to sign. And some people are wondering, who is leading this nation? Are we sure Malami is not the head of the cabal leading this nation? Who exactly is leading this nation? And Buhari did not sign. In fact, he made a statement before the day that Buhari will not sign it. And he wasn't joking. I'm telling you, he wasn't joking. The same man gave political advice in the case of Abba Kyari, but cannot give political advice in the case of Nnamdi Kanu. A man they smuggled into the country, God knows how. And so Falana is saying 132 sons in Nigeria are already putting down their signature, and they are taking Malami, who should be concentrating on his job, okay, to court. They are taking him to court. And who is this judge in Umahi who has said they don't have a right to do ABCDZ and they should expunge it? And Malami quickly made a press statement. Yes, I will expunge it. He was quick because that is what he wanted. He wants to still be the Attorney General, from there become the state governor of his state, just rolling from, and after that he wants to contest for presidency. When you look at the whole thing, it's all strategic. It's all strategic. And not the funniest thing, to a large extent, you may say, oh, how is that going to happen? It will shock you. These people, they are a bag of disappointment. They do all kinds of things, and to a large extent, they get away with it. How did Buhari become president? If you can answer that question, you can see where these people are headed. Malami is, a man who is so corrupt. Personalization of corruption. He wants to become Nigerian's president. He wants to go on. He has been the Attorney General now. Okay, the next thing now is to become the governor of my state. Then the next thing now will go for... You will see what nonsense is going on. No decorum at all. No law and order. Things done anyhow. And you are wondering, why is Nigeria like this? You are wondering why Nigeria is like this? There goes your answer. Because of this set of people. But God passed them. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye.